Hello, meet my fellow witches and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Earthly Alchemy Witch's Chest Magical Gardens. Again, this is a monthly subscription box available in Australia. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check out the box. They also have a shop. But with that, I'll get on with the unboxing. So when you first open it, that's what it looks like. And with each box you get a newsletter, so just some things that are happening, and the info sheet. So Magical Garden is the theme, and the first item of the box is Magical Garden Oracle. That's right, they've just released their oracle cards, a set of oracle cards, and I believe they're very based on herbs and stuff, so it looks like we may get the deck in this box, which will be super cool. So he did mention that there was no booklet with it, it was just you'd get a card. Our other Grimoire page card is for Lunar Sar or Lammas, because that's coming up to celebrate. And again, these are just absolutely gorgeous and full of information. Yeah, so here it is. Here is the Magical Garden Oracle, and this was, I believe, all hand drawn, and that by Michael, one of the Earthly Alchemy guys. I love their stickers. Super excited to get this. I was looking at them and I'm like, so need to get me a set of those. Now I don't have to get one. So that's the back, and then that's the cards. So Rosemary, a time to cleanse and banish what no longer serves you. So there's Belladonna, Mandrake, blue cornflower, nettle, bindweed, sage, St. John's wort, thistle, echinacea, mugwort, foxglove, juniper, mint, sunflower, and of course lavender. Can't wait to get into those. We have some frankincense and charcoal, so it feels like there might be a charcoal disc in there. I won't open it because it'll spill everywhere. We have our oil. Find the, spray, and it is Protego Ritual Oil, and it has dried juniper and cedarwood, clove, rosemary and eucalyptus essential oils. So you can see the juniper in there. It smells lovely. It's a rollable application, which I do like. We've got a spray, I can't get out of the plastic. And this is Banisher spray, and it says it has orange blossom, almond oil, and the essential oils are sage, rosemary, clove, eucalyptus and sweet basil. And it smells very gardeny, like, you know, I don't know how else to explain it. When you walk into the garden, that really lovely sort of earthy green smell. And then we have the last item in the box, looks like a tea. And it's Magical Garden Herbal Tea. Blended with love on the 3rd of the 1st, 2021. So it says that it has lemon balm, organic hibiscus, organic rose petals, and organic lavender. That's going to make a very interesting tasting tea. It just smells like a garden. I can't wait to try that one. So that's everything in this month's Magical Garden Witch's Chest from Earthly Alchemy. I'll quickly run through the information sheet. So we have the Magical Garden Oracle mini deck, which I believe he still has a number available on his website. And the frankincense and charcoal have been included so that you can consecrate the deck, which I think is a really nice thing to think about. We've got the Magical Garden Tea by Asti, as simple as tea. We have the Banisher Potion Aura Spray. We have the Protego Ritual Roll-On and the Lammas Book of Shadows page. So I'd have to say my favourite items on this box is definitely the Oracle cards, the tea. I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of the Banisher spray. One of my little witchlings is having trouble sleeping because apparently there's someone popping in and saying hello, which I'll have to take care of, but that will help. And again, I really like the idea of including the frankincense and charcoal so that you can consecrate the decks. So let me know what your favourite item was. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my videos that I create, I would love you to subscribe. And until the next one, merry part and merry meet again.